Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the device safe and accessible. Power it off to avoid shorts, then remove any case and the SIM/SD tray so you can access ports. This reduces risk while you work. Once done, clear a flat, static-free workspace and use gloves if there are glass shards that protects you and the phone. Finally, collect the cables and adapters you'll need. Charging cable, USB OTG adapter or hub, and a spare screen or external display option so you can continue. Now you regain control. Connect a USB OTG adapter and plug in a mouse or keyboard. You can navigate the UI, enter PINs, and enable settings without touch. If OTG isn't available, set up ADB on a computer to mirror the screen or issue commands. Do this once USB debugging or authorization is enabled. Meanwhile, use Cloud Sync to back up contacts, photos, and messages so nothing is lost. These steps let you work around the broken screen and preserve data. Finish by choosing and executing the repair route. If you need a quick fix, keep using an external display or OTG controls. For full restoration, replace the screen yourself or take it to a pro. Test the new screen or adapter before sealing the device. Make sure connectors are clean and seated. If things go wrong, try a forced reboot, a different cable or adapter, or disconnect the battery briefly. These simple checks often restore responsiveness, and they save time before more invasive steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.